gotta love this place, baby. My cow, baby. Check out this space, maybe. My Macau, oh, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, oh, baby. Whoa, maybe. Checking it out, baby. Gotta get out and go, baby. Whoa, baby. My Minda, maybe. My Macau, oh, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, oh, baby.
Okay, so we are at the typhoon just happened, so the I think the flooding came up over here, so we're gonna put this up on the map and we're gonna walk down this way and kind of see what we can see and see all this. So stay tuned and okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so let's take a look. So I believe that this is all flooding that occurred. So there's kind of like a garbage that's kind of up a little bit. They had all these storm guard stuff, and then there's a lot of debris. So earlier I saw some pictures of people who were catching fish, which was probably a lot lower than here. But at least we can get an idea a little bit of what it looked like. Goes all the way down, but we're going to be going down this particular street, which is Ervanários. The sign is over there. It's still category 8 right now, so this is what they usually do during these storms. They'll put up these storm guards, so that will and they'll kind of let people know how high it's going to be. But it looks like the water did come through here, and we're going to go visit a friend of mine and just kind of see what his looks like. So yeah, here's a place that put some storm surge things for the water, so it must have came up here. But now the storm surge has already gone down, and we'll just take a look and see what this looks like over here. Oh yeah, still have lots of the bags here. See if see what this all looks like over here. Got some bottles. Book museum. Then we got this guy right here.
Oh, baby.
Hopefully all is good there, Pedro.
No good. You're here.
That high, eh?
Yeah.
So the water came all the way up into here. So he's just sweeping out. He's got the broom right here. It's like he's got most of the water out, because he was just saying it's about here.
Wow, holy shit. 50 centimeters.
So this must have been under the water as well. So it's category 8 now. It just changed. So I got.
You don't show if 7-Eleven is open or something.
I didn't see. Should I document it a little bit?
Okay. Well.
So it's saying some of the water came up to maybe about there, I think.
No, here.
Or right about there. So everything that's in here would be.
Yeah. Because this is dry.
Yeah.
Not too much water, see? Just a little bit.
Yeah.
That means.
Any damage to your electrical stuff?
I hope, I don't know, maybe. That switch inside? Yeah. This one is working because the motor is on the top. This one, the motor is on the bottom, maybe bye-bye.
So one of the things that we just learned from Pedro here is this actually came from down there. So we're actually going to walk by there and show you where it came. So it must have floated down this little pathway right in here. So he was saying that these probably actually worked to block the rain, but so we're just gonna go up a little bit further. Looks like this street is already cleaned up a little bit here, or the water, it must have brought everything down. So maybe this is a little bit uphill. And then we're gonna conclude by showing you where the table is that would have came from. So yeah, category, right now it's still category 8, so we're just kind of checking it out and seeing what it all looks like. So this would have came right from here. Wow. Oh man. So this usually has like a TV, that big table, chairs, so all that stuff that maybe they moved the rest in already.
Yeah, there's some stuff over here, but I don't see a TV though.
Yeah, that looks...
If I move that inside.
That also looks like some of these might have been floating as well. There's like random stuff in there a little bit. And it looks like they brought all these things and put them up on top already. So I guess we're just gonna end this video right here. A slice of Macau after the typhoon.